Iron fine powder ball press boot detailed steps. A. Boot before cleaning debris. Fixed bolts. Check whether all bolts of the machine are loose or fall off. After removing the load, the ball press is allowed to start. 2. Iron fine powder ball press test machine. First use the point method to make the motor pulse rotation. If there is no other noise, the normal operation can be started. It is strictly prohibited to start the heavy truck, and the machine can be put into production after normal operation. 3. To iron fine powder ball press feeding, the electric feeder should be ensured to feed evenly and according to the warehouse pressure. The electric feeder will be adjusted to the best effect. 4. After the end of each shift, the material in the ball press bin should be used up. Do not leave raw materials. Avoid starting with load later. 5. Normal stop or emergency stop, and start the opposite order.